All right, let's look at our warm-up. Mrs. Garcia bought her husband a bracelet for their wedding anniversary. The bracelet was $205 and the sales tax was an additional $16.91. What was the total cost of the bracelet including tax? I went ahead and underlined the question for you. Our important numbers are $205 and $16.91. Okay. We're finding the total. That means that we're going to add these two numbers together to get the total. Let's go ahead and round to the nearest tens. Okay, so we're going to look at the 5. It's going to change the 0 in the tens place, right? 5 to 9 goes up. So we will round 205 to 210. Then we're going to round to the nearest 10 here. So that means we're going to look at the ones place here. The 6 is going to change the 1 to a 2. So this will be 210, and this will be 20. 210 plus 20 is $230. So that's our rough estimate. Okay, let's go ahead and do the work. Okay, so I went ahead and I added these two zeros, so I would have the same number of digits to work with. I tried to line up my place values as straight as I can, and we're going to go ahead and add 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 9 is 9. I'm dropping down my decimal. 5 plus 6 is 11. And I have 2. Regroup. Okay, now I have 1 plus 0 plus 1. That's 2. And then 2 plus my invisible 0 here is still 2. So the total cost was $221.91. If you remember, our estimate was $230. And so this is not going to round to $230 exactly, but it is in the same ballpark. Okay, so it's somewhere semi-close. So we have a reasonable answer here. $291 was the total cost of the bracelet and the sales tax. And I will show you a picture of this bracelet. This is a true story. Okay, there it is. Okay, now that we have our answer, we're going to go ahead and put it. These are called gridables, and you will see these on the STAR test and some of your unit assessments as well. So what this is your place values. You see the decimal point here. So to the left of the decimal point, you're going to have whole numbers. And to the right of the decimal point, you're going to have tenths and hundredths and thousands and so on. So for this one, we have tenths, hundredths, over here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So where are we going to put our $221.91? Well, obviously the 91 cents is going to go to the right of the decimal. This is 9 tenths or 9 dimes. This is 1/100th. This is 1 penny. Okay, so you write the number on top and you fill in the bubble that matches your number that you wrote, your digit. Okay, so in the ones place we had a 1. If I write the 1, I fill in the bubble for the 1. For our tens, we had a 2, so I write the 2 and I fill in the bubble for the 2. Same for the hundreds. I'm going to leave this one blank. There's nothing in the thousands place. Okay. All right, so we got our answer. $221.91 was the total cost of the bracelet.